Hey, who are you? I've seen you watching me from many days. Hey, stop right there! Who are you? What do you want from me?
No, I have to take an interview.
Of whom?
The richest man in our city.
Who is that?
A garbage cleaner.
It's impossible.
Why not? Just imagine the amount of garbage in our city.
Where is my money?
Sir, give me some time, sir. I didn't get the job, sir. Sir.
If I don't get back the money, then you are gone.
Sir, he was not only the one. I had a punch lot creditors who could do anything for money. I had to face immense abusement from my creditors every day. The main reason for all debts was unemployment, poverty, urge to fill my stomach.
I want you to pay the rent today.
I'm sure of job this time.
Your degree was completed a long ago. Till this time, you were.
Without job, ma'am.
What were the reasons for rejection?
No vacancy, need for more innovation, and more GPA. I studied in poverty, so getting a 7.7 was a struggle for me, ma'am.
Yeah, you are right. Many in our country study in poverty. Similarly, even we have the same problem. I'm sorry, Mr. Siddharth. The jobs are full. If we need someone, they must have extraordinary potential.
Ma'am, please, ma'am. I'll do my best, ma'am. I have many loans, ma'am. Please, ma'am. I need this job, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Oh shit! See, I'm in a tension now. You need to leave.
Ma'am, I don't even have money to eat today's lunch, ma'am. Ma'am, please, ma'am. I'll do my best, ma'am. I'll do my best, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Will you get out or should I call the security?
Every time, it was equal and opposite reaction. It was time for resurrection, a new hope. But it was my classmate who first saw me doing this adventurous action. Our society is such that a bar dancer is treated like a queen and a garbage cleaner like a
He studied all these days, but now he's cleaning the garbage. Joker.
Such an attitude made me clean the garbage at night. Rarely I cleaned early mornings when no one saw me. Since it was a new life, I didn't want to meet those who had abused me in the past. So I came far away from my past place and lived in a place which I didn't tell to anyone. Because I didn't believe people. While dividing and ruling, I repaired the e-waste under the dry waste and sold it cheaply. I prepared the biogas and manure from the organic waste for which I started earning. Just to give a go, I applied job in 3 companies through post and reapplied to that company where I was insulted. Seeing people happy because of my work made me continue cleaning and forget the post. I worked hard consistently and my earnings could be equated to the garbage in this city. But later, I observed that someone was following me while doing the work. Hey, who are you? Why are you following me? Hey, stop right there! I had a bunch lot creditors who could do anything for money. Sir, where is Loknath?
He died yesterday.
What? But how did he die?
Don't know how.
Some Madhe.
He died this morning. Don't know how. I think it's murder.
So are they dying in bunch? How these people died? Who killed them? Who was following me? I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. So, it is fair to kill a guy for being indebted.
I thought we were dead. Why should I follow?
Yesterday, he tried to attack me in the Robert Street. While I was searching him, I found a knife where I found it.
I know the people are dying, but I don't know how. Why don't you inform the cops?
It's useless. It's one of the rotten system. They don't believe people.
Do you believe?
You have cleaned garbage in Tiger Block, Robert Street and many other places. We want to honor you. Sir, please, we need you.
Hello?
Hello, sir. I'm a reporter. We need your interview for motivating others. You are rejected and insulted before without giving a job. Please, sir, will you come?
Where to come?
The place you stayed when you started cleaning. You are rejected and insulted before without giving a job.
And many
I lived in
other
a place which I
Place
didn't
you
tell to
stayed when
anyone.
you started cleaning.
I didn't get it.
The places mentioned by the NGOs were the places where I found him. You told me that I was rejected and insulted badly by a company. No one knew that I stayed here, but you called me and said me to come here. When I had applied job through post, I had reapplied for that company where I was insulted and rejected, mentioning the from address of this place.
So it was the CEO's men of that company who were following me.
I had no face to meet you directly. So I sent my people to observe you so that I can meet you one day. Our factory started producing a huge amount of garbage. Most importantly, we learned that we are humans loaded with selfishness more than garbage. As a result of garbage, an unknown flu started spreading over there. Many kids and people started to die. When the deaths were a mystery, we secretly knew that we were the cause, but we got exposed to the public later. I had to face a lot of critics. No one was ready to help us.
Joker.
What's his name? So I sent my people to observe you so that I can meet you one day. I also told them to protect you. Will you help us?
It wasn't just a company's problem, it was everywhere.
I'm just speechless. So, those who ever read so much and does not have a job should clean garbage?
Not exactly garbage, but yeah, when the educated ones can create it, there is no shame in cleaning it. There are many other problems in our society. We have great architects and many hi-fi buildings, but how many public toilets do we have? How many educated farmers do we have? How many teachers do we have? We need people more in these professions, but no one wants these jobs. Everyone wants to keep their family happy by becoming rich. No one treats the society as their own family. That's the main problem.
I completely agree with you. When you decided to die, what inspired you?
I never knew that a person asking me an address would show me a way.
Sir, there's nothing over here. Why are you standing here? I think you're in problem. We need to speak. Come.
I explained him my problems.
You know, people consider their problem to be the problem of the world. But no one considers the problem of the world to be their problem.
Sir, if you had eyes, you could have seen the reality.
You don't need eyes to see things. What you need is heart and perspective. You said you have eyes, right? Have you seen from the world's, society's, and environment's perspective? Do you know about the sufferings of the world? The environment needs many to save it. The society needs so many to clean it. And the world needs all to love it. Have you ever thought about it?
Sir, what do you do, sir?
I educate poor children for free.
Then what do you do for money?
I myself employ many people. It's not about running behind money, but it's about finding satisfaction in work. Money can buy you food, but can't digest it. The world needs everyone. No one is a waste until they have clean hands.
So,
I can understand you. When you try to help the big society, there will be many in the big society to help the small you. I have to go. You find solutions to your problem by solving others' problem. Here it's not others, it's your world. The world needs you. Think, you educated fool.
what I learnt was, I was blind all these days.
Sir, it's actually great. A garbage cleaner, the richest man, shows how dirty is our society.
I also saw how beautiful it was when I cleaned it. To live happily, we need to know that the world is our family and the work is our worship.